On this episode, we're off to Bisbee, Arizona. Come with us as we walk the streets and see the sights. Bisbee, Arizona is a quirky, colorful town in the Mule Mountains just 10 miles from the Mexican border. A legendary mining town founded in 1880, it has a very interesting downtown that is highlighted by many unconventional shops, saloons, and art studios. There's plenty to do, such as visiting the Queen Mine and taking a tour, museums highlighting the mining history, and even ghost tours. Simply walking the streets, you might come across something cool to look at. The area attracts many characters that call it home. Local art is plentiful and showcased throughout the town. Bisbee's Brewery Gulch is located Broadway stairs. Once a dark alley, it has been transformed into an incredible open-air art gallery. Consisting mostly of thrift shop and garage sale finds, it has a smattering of local pieces as well. Started by local resident Kenny Stewart in 2018 as a way to brighten up the front of his home on the alley, it has turned into a community project. It is free to visit, and anybody is welcome to donate their finds to the project. The Lavender Pit on the south end of town is a former open pit copper mine. It covers 300 acres and is 900 feet deep. It produced 600,000 tons of copper with byproducts of silver and gold. Opened in 1950, production through 1974 totaled 86 million tons of ore removed from the mine. Large amounts of waste rock and tailings are piled up all around Bisbee. Interestingly, the mine was named after Harrison M. Lavender, not because of the definite purple hue of some of the rocks in the mine. I hope you enjoyed our visit to Bisbee, Arizona. Hopefully one day you get to experience this colorful town for yourself one day. That's it for this adventure. Until next time.